Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain some important best practices when creating a shared folder for storing scanned documents from your printer to your Windows PC. If your scanner sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, or if you're setting up Scan to Folder for the first time, this video will help you avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. The first thing you need to configure is the shared folder permissions. The printer must have permission to access the shared folder. If the permissions are incorrect, the scan will fail, even if all other settings are correct. I'll show you the correct permissions to use so your scanner can save files successfully. Instead of using your everyday Windows account, it's a better practice to create a dedicated user account for scanning.y. It improves security. The scanner uses one account that never changes. If you change your personal Windows password, the scanner will continue working because it uses its own dedicated account. This makes your scan to folder setup more reliable. Now, I'll show you how to create a new user account for scanner access and configure the correct permissions step by step. Please follow along carefully to make sure your scanner can save documents to your Windows PC without any permission errors. Why remove everyone and allow only the scan user? Many people leave the everyone permission enabled. This means anyone on the network who has access may be able to view, modify, or delete your scanned documents. A safer approach is to remove everyone and give access only to the dedicated scan user. This improves security while still allowing the printer to save scanned files. Why does scanning stop working after moving the folder? Another common problem happens when someone moves the shared folder, for example, from drive D to another location. The printer remembers the original folder path. If the folder is moved, renamed, or deleted, the printer can no longer find it, and scanning will fail. If you need to move the folder, you'll also need to update the scan settings on the printer with the new folder path. Now I'll show you the real practice when you move the scanner to a new location. Follow each step carefully, because a small configuration mistake can prevent the scanner from sending documents to your computer. Let's get started and set everything up correctly. Those are the 4 most important things you should know when creating a shared folder for network scanning. Following these best practices will help make your Scan2 folder setup more secure, more reliable, and easier to maintain. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.